The pressure is on. I mean, I still want to have it look decent. And the tail, almost there. Some shadows on the ground. Done. This is how you can draw a lazy cat. And thank you guys for watching. I'm not sure how long that took. I feel like I could have done it faster. Maybe next time. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!